Hello, Amazing All Stars. It is Monday, May 23rd. Let's find out what is on our Number Corner calendar. Wow, we have to turn Saturday, Sunday, and Monday's cards. So let's find out what we have. Saturday's activity, May 21st, my daughter's birthday. Wow, Tad was on the number 77. And he went up to, so that means he went up 10, 20, and then over to the left, subtracting 2. So he subtracted 10 and 20 going up, and then he subtracted, 1, 2, as he was going to the left. So let's go to our chart and take care of that. We look at it, he was on the number 77 before he did this. So let's go there. 77 was the number he was on. He went up 10, 20, and to the left, subtracting 1, 2. Whoa, he ends up on the number 55. Let's color that in 55. 55. Very good. Now, as we continue to go through our weekend cards, we see for yesterday, the 22nd of May, Tad. Whoa, wait a minute. He was on 55 and then he went, whoa. He's now on the number next to 46, which is 47. So he went up 10, he subtracted 10, and then added 2. Excuse me. He subtracted 10 and then added 2 from 55. So he was on 55. Subtracted 10, which put him at 45, and then he added 1, 2. Which put him at the number 47. Make sure you're coloring those in today. We've colored in the number 55 and the number 47. 47. Tad is all over the place this month. Let's see what he did for our information this day. Whoa, he was on the number 47 and he went down 2. That means he added 10, 20. He added 20 to the number 47. So we're on the number 47, and we add 10, which is 57, but he went down 2, so we add another group of 10, which is 20. And now he's on 67. Tad, you have been very busy this month. So we colored in the numbers 55, 47, and 67 today. I'm going to put these numbers up here just in case you need some extra time. 55, 47, and 67 are the 3 numbers that we colored in this day. If you need to pause the video to do that, please do that now. Thank you very much. As we continue on, we're going to talk about our days in school. Days in school. As we continue to do this, we're going to add another day. Can you believe this? This is 162 days. 162 days that we have been together as a class family. So we'll add other information to our chart. We'll write the number 162. We'll write the number word 160 and then the number word 2, which is 100 plus 60 plus 2. And then we have 50 plus 50 plus 50 plus 10, which is 160, plus 2. With our coins, remember I'm showing you different ways to make the amount we're talking about. We talked about how those dimes, having all of those dimes would equal 100 cents. I'm going to change it back to our quarters and have 4 quarters, 6 dimes, and 2 pennies to equal 162 cents. And I'm going to keep the dimes down here. We still have 16 dimes. Now we have 2 pennies to equal 162 cents. A lot of information today, a lot of great information. If you need to review this and watch it again to make sure you understand it, please take the time to do it. Have an amazing day, All-Stars. I'll see you shortly. Thanks.